Hi, my name is Trevor Willoughby, and today I will be discussing the 5 basic elements of a police officer's mission. So, in the line of duty, a police officer, sheriff, highway patrol, or state trooper has 5 different objectives they need to keep up with and complete on a day-to-day basis. Those elements are 1. Enforcing the law, 2. Investigating crimes and apprehending offenders, 3. Preventing crime, 4. Helping to ensure domestic peace and tranquility, also known as preserving the peace, and 5. Providing the community with needed enforcement-related services. Number 1. Enforcing the law. In the United States, our law is enforced on different levels and in different ways. There are such as U.S. Marshals that help enforce the law across America and do more special related services than such as a statewide law enforcement such as the Highway Patrol or State Trooper. And then down to a county level, which are the sheriffs, and then down all the way to the local police officers that patrol every day. Number 2. Apprehending offenders. In an officer's day-to-day work life, they get to crime scenes usually, where they will have to detain someone or to arrest a criminal. They do so in order to protect the public from any possible dangers. This correlates with enforcing the law, because in apprehending someone, you are instilling the law upon them, since they either broke it, or in the process of breaking it, or were about to break it. Number 3. Preventing crime. One of the more obvious reasons, other than enforcing the law, which can be the first thing that people think of when they hear what police officers do, preventing crime is the next obvious reason as to why we have law enforcement. It is to prevent crime from happening, to stop it while it's in progress, or to resolve it after. This can complement enforcing the law and apprehending offenders as well. Since, when preventing crime, if someone is about to break the law, or is in the process of breaking the law, to stop them would be there for enforcing the law upon them. Or, if they have committed the crime, or about to, they would need to be apprehended, so they would also be complementing apprehending offenders as well as preventing crime. A quote from Sir Robert Peel, the founder of the British system of policing, explained in 1822. Quote, "The basic mission for which the police exist is to reduce crime and disorder. This can be seen in preventing crime, since a police officer's job is to make sure people are safe from any wrongdoing." Number 4. Preserving the peace and keeping tranquility. An officer's duty to preserve the peace can be seen when they apprehend the wrongdoer, stop a fight while it is happening, or stop something that could be considered illegal before it happens. This complements preventing crime, since preserving the peace could result in stopping a crime before it happens. Preserving the peace and keeping tranquility basically means for an officer or any person of the law to stop any bit of disruption of peace in any public or private space before it happens in order to keep people safe and out of harm's way. Lastly, providing services. Police officers provide their services every day by arresting criminals, enforcing law, stopping crime, and making sure people feel safe, which can be seen in them going on patrol and looking out for any potential wrongdoing. Every day, police officers around the country work to keep the public safe in the best way they can, which is why we should be thankful for our successful law system and the hard-working men and women that keep us safe and out of harm's way every day. And my references: Criminal Justice, A Brief Introduction, and also my aunt, who majored from college with a bachelor's in criminal justice, and then served as a prison guard as a sergeant for 2.5 decades. Thank you.